Hello, boys and girls. Today we were reviewing the models exercise. Well, the models auxiliary. Last class we spoke about the different kind of models. Okay, so depending on the meaning of the statement, or depending of the meaning that we want to give to the statement, to the sentence, is the model that we supposed to select. Okay, we have, if it is ability, remember is can or can't in negative. If it is future, is will and want in negative. Okay, future. If it is a moral obligation is must, mustn't, negative. If it is a recommendation, should or shouldn't in negative. If it is a probability, or probability, you can use might or might not. If it is a permission, it is may or may not. If it is what else? If it is a strong obligation, is have to or don't have to. And well, I already sent that information, and today we practice this exercise. Okay, we're supposed to choose the correct option. Okay, and there are sometimes that we can select both models, but depending as I was saying, depending on the meaning is the one that you need to choose. For example, in the first one, you must or can listen to the teacher. We can use both, okay, because if it is an ability, we need to select can, right? You can listen to the teacher. But if we are talking about a moral obligation, something that you supposed to do in the class, you're going to select must. So you must listen to the teacher. Okay. Then we have something forbidden. We have a sign here. Okay. Forbidden. Okay. So you want or you can park here. Well, you won't park here. Okay, because it's something that you don't have to do. Okay. Then people couldn't or shouldn't waste food. Well, people shouldn't waste food. Okay. No debería desperdiciar comida. Now, in the next one, another tip that I could say to you is will always work in a question. Okay, it is commonly used in a question also. So, will it snow tomorrow? For example, today, how was the weather? Today it was nice. It was cool, and there are some suspicious clouds. So we can say that it might rain today. Quizás llueva hoy. Okay? For example. But in this case, will is the answer. Will it snow tomorrow? Okay? Yes, it will. No, it won't, for example. For a question, for a polite question, for a permission, something polite, okay, we are going to use may. May I have a coffee, please? Okay. Then should or must. You should do more exercise. It is fine. But also, you must do exercise. For example, if you let's see, if you want to have a better body, we can say that you should do more exercise. Deberías de hacer más ejercicio. Okay? If you want to have a better body, if you want to have another size, if you are 11, and if you want to be 9, well, you should do more exercise. Okay? But if it's something of health, okay, something that the doctor said to you, For example, you must do more exercise, okay? You must do exercise. So, tú debes hacer más ejercicio. So, both are fine, okay? And as I was saying, depending on the meaning of the statement, is the one that you are going to choose. Then, the same happens with the next one. You don't have to drink alcohol. If you are driving, of course, you don't have to drink alcohol. It's forbidden to drive and drink at the same time, right? And and for in other hand, if you are taking medicine, you mustn't drink alcohol, right? Because medicine and alcohol doesn't match, right? Así es que no tienes que tomar alcohol, you don't have to. No debes tomar alcohol, you mustn't drink alcohol, okay? On the next one, well, it is, can you play the guitar? If it's something of ability, can you play the guitar? Can you play the piano? Can you jump? Can you dance? Can you fly? Okay. And the other one is something that a suggestion, a recommendation. Should you play the guitar? ¿Deberías tocar la guitarra? For example. But here we are going to work with can. For the next one, will you like to go by train? Okay. And the last one, I won't play tennis tomorrow. Tomorrow is when we talk something in the future, tomorrow, because it's not today, it's tomorrow. So, won't. Okay, I won't play tennis tomorrow. Okay? No jugaré tenis mañana. Okay? So, you need to understand the statement, you need to understand what is the objective of the statement, and you need to remember when are we going to use can or will or should or could or can, etc. Okay, you need to understand, to study them, okay, and also you can do it on the platform. Okay, we have some lessons in which we can work with the modals auxiliary. Okay, between unit 2 and 3 there are some lessons of the modals. Okay, then we spoke about traveling vocabulary. Do you remember that we spoke about some things? When we travel, we need some vocabulary, okay? We need to prepare things, we need to have specific papers, we need to organize the clothes that we're going to put, etc. So all of this vocabulary comes on unit 3, okay, in lesson 1 and 6 or 7, okay. In lesson 1 we have flight to Mumbai, okay. We watch a video that we have some problems to watching because the screen was kind of freezing, okay. But anyway, you can see it on the right, on the English stories, okay. And I'm sorry, on the English stories, and we saw everything about traveling vocabulary, okay. For example, when we are planning a vacation time, we need some specific vocabulary, okay. Delay, passport, date, board, arrive, flying, arrivals, delayed, announcement, tourist, flight, abroad, briefcase, suitcase, backpack, apologize, inconvenience, cancel, connecting flight, non-stop flight, rent a car, reserve a hotel room, or book a hotel room also, round trip, sightseeing, tour, travel agency, travel arrangements, dollar, euro, pesos, traveling checks, credit cards, debit cards, cash, etc. Okay.